What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's Welcome G back out to Country TV. On today's episode, we're about to film a vlog, about to pick up my boy Sooch from the Abbotsford Airport, and out here with the boys. We got PARM vs. the World.
Let's go, baby.
And we got the Dreamchaserz out here, YUVRAJ, LAVRAJ, and yeah, we're about to have a good ass time. Y'all about to witness it. Let's get it. All right, boys. First time out here at Abbey Airport. About to pick up Josh. Yezzuh. About to give my boy a fucking forehead kiss once he gets out here. Yezzuh. Yeah. Yo, it's been 3 fucking days, yo. 3 fucking days since we've been calling Josh. Yeah, don't worry.
Boy, if you don't get...
I'm putting the shitting fucking sound effect on these guys, yo.
Bro. Yo, my private jet's here, bro. You can drop me off here, bro. My private jet's right there.
Oh, shit. I can see why people stop. There's fucking so much snow coming this way.
Hey, yo! What does that have to do with anything, bro?
There's one way in the whip.
Farmers wait.
Farm versus science, farm versus gravity.
Go more than 5 kilometers an hour, please.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, first figure out how far Josh is. We gotta figure that out.
I think he has Wi-Fi. We can message him.
Go on the left right here.
Left right here?
Actually, I don't know what the fuck this is.
Yeah, what the fuck you want, bro? So, yeah. Like, bro, we'll go back to that fucking spot. Hopefully. We got this shit.
Yo, fucking damn, bro.
I don't know where the fuck this is taking us, actually.
What train function are we going on?
Yeah.
We have 0 clue where we're going, bro.
Train X-ray or hop in, man.
No, there's a parking lot up here.
This is just set up,
Yeah.
It's about to start now. It's just set up.
We're fully up to the residents. Oh, fuck. It's just sliding, you know? Yeah.
Those things are take.
Right here, set up. This is set up number 1.
Yo, thanks for dropping to my private jet, bro.
Yo, man, I got you, fam. Like, yo, whenever you need a ride in this motherfucking Range Rover and shit, I got you, fam.
Yo, I'll tip you, don't worry, and I'll pay you too.
With what?
What?
What kind of payment? What services?
You'll see.
What's this airport called?
Djibouti Airport.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
Country TV here, guys. Yeah,
All right, boys, out here at Abbey Airport, first time. Y'all know how it be. Snowed in. We still coming in here because yo, our boy Josh was supposed to come here on the 19th. What's the date today currently, boys?
22nd.
22nd, yo. We've been fucking trying to come out here for 3 days, but we got a sick-ass snowstorm that fucked us all up. And yeah, now we're trying to find a place to park and fucking chill out.
I have no clue where it is.
Yeah.
Is it WestJet?
No, man, it's Flair.
And yeah, fucking LAVRAJ cut the camera because we're trying to figure out where the fuck we're supposed to go now. Because we're trying to figure out where the fuck Josh.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, playing
I
chess.
say turn the light on.
I'm about to play a chess match. So starting off, G chose E4 versus E4. And yeah, we'll show you at the end who won. Let's go. Did you just land or what?
Yeah, I just landed. About a half hour right now.
How's the flight?
I'll tell you about it when I see you guys.
Fucking no, we're outside. Like we're thinking about posting up now. How far are you from the entrance?
My bag just got so as soon as I hop on.
Yeah. We're about to come inside now. Fuck it.
It's good, bro.
Alright, peace.
Yo, what? What the fuck is that? Almighty. Yo. Cause we know what happened. He's under shock.
Yeah, I don't even know what the video is about, to be honest.
No, it's not even the video. It's just a random ass sound.
Oh shit. Let's go pick this guy up.
Let's go, bro.
Yeah.
It's right here, bro.
Hey, yo.
I see you guys on fucking TikTok. Yo, cool.
Yo.
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Yo, I love you, video. I love you, video.
Yeah.
We're so
I have a double camera
right
right
now.
now.
before I landed, bro.
We're gonna rock with you. Have some Christmas
Yo.
audio, yo. We're gonna do a little dance. I really thought it was gonna be YVR, man. I really
Yo,
thought.
it's freezing.
I don't even feel
No, we never even thought this girl was gonna arrive. That's fucked.
it. Yeah, I actually made it here, yo. Fucking hell.
Yo, it's fucked. We're gonna eat some good food now.
Yeah, fuck yeah, bro.
Holy fuck, yo. Actually,
I'm
pretty
starving.
fucking
I'm not eating.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's go, man.
Let's go. Let's go eat some good food now.
Fuck.
Let's go.
Fuck,
Yo,
man.
this motherfucker.
3 days. 3 motherfucking days, boy. 3 days.
It's 2 in the morning right now. I don't fucking believe him. Easy.
People are walking behind us like crazy. Yeah, a lot.
You should put the other directions in?
Yeah, more Rockos.
All right, fam. We out here with the myth, the one, the only, motherfucking legend. Yeah, so. Yeah. Yo, we out here at Rockos. What you order, Josh?
I ordered chicken strips. You never go wrong with fucking chicken strips. I ordered, these guys all got milkshakes. I didn't get anything.
Milkshake is killed.
Wait,
I gotta
say that shit again.
Oh yeah. And these guys all got milkshakes. This guy's sucking on his milkshake right now. How's that? You like sucking on milkshakes?
Yeah, I'm probably the #1 most sucking milkshake.
Yeah, he's the best
I'm the greatest
milkshake
sucker
sucker. Yeah. You love sucking on milk products. Nah, but I got a chocolate milkshake too. And I got some chicken strips. So you can never go wrong with chicken strips. And thank you. Order right here. Live taste test right here. Hold on, I'm gonna give it a Yezzuh. And those, right?
That's the rating scale.
Right here.
Yezzuh. It's just like fire. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, do it. My bad's about to die.
Do what?
Do you the taste test?
I did it, no?
Oh, yeah. That's hilarious. Let's do it again. More pumped. My shit's pretty good too. I just drank half the bottle of water.
If I'm being completely honest, McDonald's is better.
Yeah.
But he got chocolate, right?
I think so, yeah.
What? Who replied? What? Oh shit. My bad, dog. Bro, I haven't eaten shit today. I fucking all it is work out before. Yeah.
Actually, have fun at this meal.
Boys, we at Roscoe's. Ordered a deluxe cheeseburger. What you ordered? You?
The good old clubhouse. That's what they call that, right? That's what they call that.
Yezzuh.
As this guy was ordering, I was like, you just call it fucking, yeah, I'll get the good old chicken clubhouse. I was like, no, you don't know that's part of the fucking name. Good old. Good old's at the start.
Good old clubhouse, man.
Yeah.
Alright, we're at a diner.
Keep it nice, simple, and basic. Let's get it. Alright, boys, just got our food. I got the fucking cheeseburger. My boy got his strips, fries, Yezzuh, and this cookies and cream milkshake. It's alright. But yeah. Fuck it. I think I might need to get another flavor. Parm said you got strawberry cheesecake. Yo, how was the milkshake? Yo. Alright, man. I'll see y'all at this taste test though, yo. So I haven't eaten shit all day. This is like my first meal. I had like 2 filet shakes and some banana bread. That's about it.
Salt it up, baby.
Yezzuh. Let's go. I still haven't eaten after my workout. I hit chest and biceps at home, gym.
Bruh.
Nah. Cause like too busy fucking working and shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Daddy, chill.
But fucking try this shit out, first bite, and then enjoy the rest. Yeah, so let's get it. Try the fries. not gonna lie, that shit bustin', boy.
No?
But
Hopefully no.
Fuck, man.
What's gonna fucking down that shit?
My boy Josh passed me a chicken strip. Yezzuh. But eat that shit. Appreciate my boy. Yezzuh, let's get it.
It's my gift to you.
That shit bustin', boy.
Right? They're not bad. I think that's the diner style. They give you like a fair amount of food.
Yeah.
The price is also. Eh. It's really an old school spot.
All right, boys. So that pretty much wraps up day one of Josh being in Surrey. Not even Surrey. This is technically Abbotsford, right? That's where we picked him up, the Abbey Airport. And it was my first time going out there. I would rate Rockos a 7.5 out of 10. Would I go out of my way to go back there? No, sir. It was alright. And I would definitely go back if I'm in the area, but when I go out of my way, please leave this video a like, comment, subscribe. And it's just a start for seeing us, all 5 of us on camera together, man. We got big things on the way. And keep paying attention because we are about to release some huge projects in the future together. And I can't wait till then. See y'all later. Let's get it.